When I first saw him talking up there on stage, and he would bring up people in the audience and he would, let's say, work with a couple, and within a matter of minutes, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, he brings about a transformation in them, and they're hugging and kissing and making up, and years of resentment is getting melted away in a few minutes. When I first became a coach more than a decade ago, if I'm being honest with you, I was terrified. I was a trainer for a very long time because I became a trainer at the age of 24. But when it came to coaching, one on one coaching, I was scared out of my wits. And that is because I realized that with coaching, I had to go a lot deeper with people. And back then, my way of learning how to coach was to attend different seminars and listen to coaches. And one of the people that I follow, and I'm sure many of you follow, is Tony Robbins. When I first saw him talking up there on stage, and he would bring up people in the audience and he would, let's say, work with a couple, and within a matter of minutes, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, he brings about a transformation in them, and they're hugging and kissing and making up, and years of resentment is getting melted away in a few minutes. And I used to look at that and wonder, wow, how is this person able to do this? That this one skill set, this mystical, magical skill set, that when we look at, you're not able to decipher it, but you know that this coach is doing something magical. That is the skill set that we're going to talk about today. Hi, I'm Seema Shanoy Manik, and I mentor trainers and coaches on the application of neurosciences in their coaching so that they can attract, convert, and transform clients into their coaching business seamlessly and start becoming successful immediately in their coaching business. So, watch till the end of this video because I'm going to give you some perspectives that's going to completely shift the way you look at your clients and the way you interact with them. Let me ask you a question. Have you looked at any of your mentors or trainers and admired them for their ability to bring about a transformation in people conversationally? As a coach, you might have done a lot of certifications, right? I have seen people do certifications around how to build a funnel, how to become a coach, how to lead coaching sessions, and learn certain modalities like Reiki or Ho'oponopono or NLP or different modalities with which they use certain tools to bring about a transformation in people, right? And despite all this, it's quite possible that you're feeling stuck in your coaching business because something or the other may not be working. Especially the biggest problem is that clients don't go back and take actions. So, what do these top coaches do so different that you are not learning in your coaching certifications? These are secrets that very few people actually reveal to you, and that's something that I'm going to tell you today. There is a distinct difference between traditional coaching and neuro coaching. The first difference is the speed at which you can give results to people, or the speed at which you can influence people. In traditional coaching, we are innately taught that you must not lead people, you must not influence your client, you should allow them to come up with their solutions, you should allow them to think, you should allow them to act. And because of this one philosophy, traditional coaching tends to take sometimes months and years to show results. One of my recent coaching clients had been to 3 psychiatrists before he came to me. So while traditional coaching does work, it takes a long time because the client does not have the resources within them to come up with those solutions, to take action, to stay consistent with their plans, right? But in neuro coaching, we are using a different form of active coaching. What do I mean by active? The coach participates equally in the coaching process along with the client. So not only are you reading the client, calibrating them, figuring out their rules, values, metaphors, meta programs, generalizations, distortions, deletions, you're actually reading your client, and based on that information, you're actively getting within their subconscious mind, putting them into a state of trance using advanced NLP, conversational hypnosis, and you're making a change deep within their subconscious mind. Because of this, neuro coaching gives far more faster results, and you have more power in your hands as a coach than somebody who is not able to actively influence their clients. And one of the biggest differences between traditional coaching and neuro coaching is the applicability. While traditional coaching requires you to be in that therapeutic setup, you're not able to use it everywhere. You cannot use it in your ads, you cannot use it everywhere in your social media content, you cannot use it in your discovery calls. So its application becomes only within the confines of your coaching. But when it comes to neuro coaching, because it's a different form which uses conversation as a tool, purely conversationally, you can open the client's subconscious mind, get within it, figure out what's not working in that moment, in that instant, embed commands, use language patterns, shift those patterns so that the client changes at a behavior, at an identity, at a skill level. This is exactly how Avril, who had 100,000 following on her Instagram but was not able to convert a single high ticket client, was able to convert more than 3 6-figure clients within 1 month of using these strategies that I taught her. So, neuro coaching as a tool, as a skill set, is something that all the top coaches possess. Look at any coach that you admire who is on the top, who is the cream of the industry. They have the ability to speak to their clients in such a way that people change just by speaking to them. And that is the ability that you need to get right away. Do you know? One of the worst beliefs that hold coaches back is that transformation takes time, change takes time. I have actually seen healers and coaches say this to their clients that time lagta hai, you need to be patient, let it heal, let it pass, let it churn. This is the worst advice that you can give your client, because if you think that it takes time, it will take time. You're allowing your belief system to hold your client back. But if you realize that giving somebody transformation, how fast it is, how effective it is, how powerful it is, depends on the tools that you have. Nothing is fast or slow. It's a tool that you're using. If you're using traditional tools, it's not going to give you the confidence, and you'll never really be able to charge high ticket for your clients. But if you're using cutting edge tools, you can bring about the same transformation that would have otherwise taken years within a couple of weeks for your clients. Imagine what that can do for your confidence level as a coach. And remember this, when you learn how to do neuro coaching, you will be able to apply it throughout your coaching business to attract, convert, and transform your clients. Apply it in your content, short form, long form, your ads, so that you're getting better clicks. Use it to nurture your clients, influence them even before they come into your webinars or your VSL. Use it in your discovery calls. And finally, strengthen your own system, strengthen your offer, and strengthen your coaching so that you can bring about that powerful transformation that your clients deserve from you. Hey, as a coach, if you are facing these difficulties in your coaching business, like your clients are not taking actions, your clients are not making decisions during your clarity calls and coming into your system, or any such problems where you need to influence your clients, do attend my client hypnosis workshop. It's a 2-day live workshop where I will be teaching you these concepts of neuro coaching and how to apply it in your particular niche. Also, I'm going to be giving you out the subconscious influence script that you can start right away using in your ads, your reels, your content everywhere, so that you can influence your clients. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. Click on that, enroll, and I will see you live in the client hypnosis workshop. So, my dear coach, stop staying limited. Start becoming limitless. Break through those limitations yourself. Believe it can happen. Learn new skills and go out there and transform your coaching business. Do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let me know what you think and what topics you want me to make videos on in the future.